Hello, this is my lunch. It's 12:45. I've got 6 ounces of 80/20 ground beef, 6 ounces of 93%, 7% ground beef, and on top of it is that salsa that I made over the weekend, I guess last weekend whenever I made it. And for seasoning, I'm just going to add some salt today. That's the only season I'm really craving. So that is my lunch. Oh, and I have 2 tablespoons of butter. So I'm just continuing with that for the moment because it tastes really good. So, all right, stay tuned to the end to see the my macros for the day. So I'm at my mom's. I brought my meat and veggies California blend, and I'm having a salad, and I've got some of the Skinny Girl poppy seed I'm going to put on it. And look, they're having some California blend vegetables also. But anyway, so Mom happens to have this all-purpose Greek seasoning and some bagel seasoning. So I'm going to put these on that. And that will be my supper tonight. You just got to improvise, y'all. Improvise. I didn't touch the angel food cake. However, I did eat a bunch of chicken skin. So I was tempted, but it was just chicken skin. So that's where I failed. But that's okay. Chicken skin versus, this is terrible, peanut butter angel food cake. I said no, I didn't even lick anything. So that's what I cheated with. And I can't plug that into chronometer. I could guess. I guesstimated. I put in 2 chicken thigh skins. I'm like, I don't know. Anyway, not a good day, but it's a day. So whatever, we move forward.